So we are used to thinking of particle accelerators are huge expensive machines. And that kind of true though, because right now the most powerful particle accelerator is LHC at CERN, which is 27 kilometers in diameter, made by thousands of scientists at a cost of several $billion. It's really the largest machine on Earth. But it's paid off. One of its main goal was to invent Higgs boson, proves the existence of Higgs field, followed by the Nobel Prize in 2013. But what I am trying to discuss today is about an announcement made by a group of scientists from Stanford University. They actually proposed that they are going to shrink this total technology down to a very small microfabricated laser powered chips. So how they are actually going to do that? Here electrons will be accelerated by microwave laser pulses. Just like the sea surfer is being accelerated by the sea waves, electrons can also be accelerated by electromagnetic waves. When the laser pulses incident inside the chip, they produces oscillating electric field inside the chip. And the specially designed ridges and gaps on the chip modify that electric field in such a way that they increases the acceleration of the electron dramatically. But here we have to remember the fact that we are trying to accelerate the electron at a very small space. That's why we need very high electric field. Coming back to the same surfing analogy again, higher the tide height, higher will be the acceleration of the surfer. Similarly, to increase the acceleration of the electron higher, we need higher and higher peak power. And although it's possible to produce around 1.2 gigawatt peak power for microwave laser pulses, but most of the metals actually damages at this very high electric field. And as the quality of the metal surface can be measured by the reflection coefficient, we can see in this graph that how the reflection coefficient suddenly decreases after certain intensity. That's why the main point is metals cannot be used to build this type of chips. That's why we have to know about photonic crystals. Photonic crystals are piles of different non-metallic materials having different refractive index. And the width of each layers are made in such a way that the reflected pulses coming from each interface constructively interfere inside the channel of the chip to produce very high electric field. By combining a number of this type of chips, they have proposed that they are going to build a full phase particle accelerator which will be couple of meters long, and that will be useful in various fields. For example, obviously medical experts can use this type of particle accelerator to target cancer cells, and scientists and students from various fields like biology, chemistry, physics, material science can use this type of tabletop particle accelerator for various experiments. And the size of the particle accelerator is going to be such that it can be easily fitted inside typical university labs. And obviously there will be much more application of this type of particle accelerator about which we don't have any type of idea yet. So that's why they are very much optimistic and hopeful about this type of technology. Thank you.